We are talking about investment opportunities in stock market. I actually presented you a table with 4 companies, how it is actually performed in last 5 years. So look at here, we are talking about 2015 and 2019. So you can look at the Bajaj Finance. It was trading in 2015 at 150 and today it is available at 2550. So it's nothing but it is given you a 17 times of return, and where you will get such kind of return? It's not possible. So that's where the power of investing in stocks. Look at the other company, Kaplan Point Lab. It was trading at 20 rupees and now it was available at 425. So it's also given more than 20 times return. And you can look at the other company, which is Symphony, which is also given you a 6 times return. So that means every year it's given you more than 100% return. Then we talk about Avanti Feeds. It was trading at 14 in 2015, now it is 400. So it also given you a return of more than 28 times. So investing in stock market will definitely help you to create wealth. So that's where I want you to look at that investment opportunities. Now people ask that why I have to invest in stocks. Okay, so look at here, the one we already seen in the previous table. It will allow you to increase the growth of your capital compared to other investment opportunity. So that's where it will provide you the capital growth. When you invest in a company, the company grows, your capital also will grow. So that's where you will get a capital growth. Then we talk about when the company make profit, you also will get a share of profit, that is called the dividend. So you are going to get capital growth as well as the share of profit, that is called the dividend. Then we talk about today stock market is one of the liquid investment. Whenever you want, you can just press a button and you can exit. So the money will be credited immediately. So that's where you will have a liquid investment. So we know that when we invest in real estate, you will not be able to sell it quicker or faster. Your money is actually blocked there. But investing in stock will give you an opportunity to liquidate faster. So it's all about electronic way of investing. You can press your button. The moment you sell the stocks, the money is going to come to you. Then when we talk about safety about investment, when we talk about the company in which you are going to invest, so you will do an analysis to understand how well the company is going to perform. So that is what it will give you a safety. Then we talk about today at the comfort of your home you can do an investment. So it is easy to manage. You don't need anyone to look at and you don't need to physically visit. So everything is available on electronic format. You can log in and see your account. So that's where it is easy to manage. And people always ask that how much is the minimum amount I need to start my investment? The answer is very simple. You can also even start with 10 rupees because you are looking at a company which is priced at 10. So you don't need a minimum investment. But the thing is, you must make it as a habit. Whenever you have money, you must look at opportunity to invest. The company starts from 1 rupee, is available in the or listed in the stock market. So you can start with a very minimum amount. So that's the where it is a great opportunity. So as we already look into, investing in share market will give you capital growth and it will give you a dividend. And it is one of the liquid investment, and safety about the company is like if India is going to grow, we know that which are all the companies going to lead. So that will give you the safety. Then we talk about the power of internet will give you the management so easy because you can log in into your account easily on the internet and see the performance. Then we talk about the money is not the criteria. Anyone can enter the market with a very minimal investment. Then why people are not investing? It's a great question, right? We know that when we talk about stock market, people say that it is risky, right? So that's why people stay away from the market. They will say that stock market is risky. Say let's take an example. You have a nice bike to drive and you know driving, but you give that bike to your friend and he doesn't know how to drive. Is it risky? The answer is yes. Okay, when you drive, you know that how to manage the risk, you know that how to press the brake, and how you are to manage the speed. So that's the same way if you look at investing in stock market. People actually jump into the market without knowing anything. So that's where you must learn about stock market, because there are a professional approach you must adopt. So that's where we are going to look at what is that professional approach. So if you know that how to approach professionally, your risk will be reduced. So that's where you have to break this myths. Share market is not risky. If you know how to invest, it will reduce the risk of your investment.